Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne mom's is she's at his house, and she is helping him, with his cleaning and stuff, and they're having, a great time there. And not only that, he wants her to go home so that he can speak, because sometimes you're around your mom and you can't talk certain things. So he's like, Mom, you need to go home so I can talk. But just go ahead and listen to the video. There's stuff that he's talking about that he, don't want his mom to be there to listen to. But just go ahead and jump on the video. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel as usual. And just check out the membership now.
No girl will sell her front car to my mother.
I said stop.
My mother never sell front today in her life. Go up from here. And she have assets. She has assets right there, sir. She has properties right there, sir. Mom, please go on home now. It's a want to go on myself and my mom. Why she go on home? Why she go on home? Guys, tell her to go on home now, please. Me I beg you now. Tell her to go on home. Come, I can't go on myself too. Hey, Mom. Yeah. This rug, right? Take it up then, and I don't want it back here then.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw it away.
She's throwing away my stuff too. She's throwing away my stuff. Imagine that. Imagine that. Or the ear of say, when I come back, I'm gonna show you people. Say that the one there, a thief. When I tell no lie. Big thief. And every day I'ma come up, I'ma show you guys that them a thief. I'ma find something to show you guys that them a thief. Enough file I have upon them. Enough file. They thought I was a disabled fool. Me full of sense. Oh, I could stand my mother curse when the curse is more close to their home. The curseness is more close to their home. Can you imagine having. I love my mother, Mom. Me love my mother Edita. Me love my mother, but me say no girl, not paying a chill girl style. My good mother with her. Move ass my black Edita. The bright.
What are you getting out like that? What's wrong?
Mom, go on. Go on. Come,
It doesn't sound good.
Alright, go on home. Please go on home. Don't tell her to go on home now. Tell her to go on home. I said, not all Orpa can style my mother. My mother is a professional. And she has assets. Our car is worth, 30,000 pounds. Pan that. Whether finance or not, 30,000.
Yeah, I don't care if I not finance.
Do the math. And you hear what she said? She don't have no care upon the finance. Only, Mom, say it again. Mom, say it again. Where you say the qual? Where you say the qual? He said she don't have no care upon the finance. That was her exact word. 30,000 pounds. Right. No, I was struggling for your cat to my mother. When you could have cost till God come now look. Every day I got mad, you know. Every day I'm gonna mad you. Madisha, Orisha, you. Lord Jesus. Right, listen, I would defend my mother to I would defend my mother. Come hell or high house. No gyal pa your castle. You mad? Listen, the day them start loving their parents, maybe them can talk to me. Until then, no darling. The day they can love their parents. My mom said her car is not on finance. She said that. Can you done your really love? No, them love it more than me, darling. Them love it more than me. Every day, Dwayne, every day. say once in a blue moon, we can bust up them at the top too. And I'm gonna prove to social media that them are thief. Them are the biggest thief pioneer, and one can go like say them not thief. Listen, look around. Hear what you guys do. Go back and check out the older videos. Go back and check out the old videos, right? Them building have furniture, barely. Them building have furniture. Look in the house now. Look in the house now. Every time you look, there's something new in the house. Every time. And remember, you know, a dead yard, them used to sell dead yard. And dead yard, them pack up the dead yard because them see the money they pass social media. Money they pass social media.